Focus to UP's Meerut now, because chilling details of this gruesome Meerut murder has shocked the nation. A former Merchant Navy officer, Saurabh Rajput, who was brutally murdered by his own wife Muskan Rastogi and her lover Sahil Shukla. Investigations have revealed a sinister sequence of events where Sahil reportedly took Saurabh's severed head and hands to his home, where he performed a certain, when it comes to police suspect, black magic rituals. Eerie sketches of dragons and strange symbols and even a cat that were found in Sahil's room, adding to a macabre of twist. And when it comes to already horrifying the case, when it comes to the ritual and the body parts thereafter were returned to Muskan's house and were sealed in a cement drum. Now, probe has also revealed that the woman's alleged Bollywood aspirations and hefty financial transactions as well. But what has shocked the many people is right after when this come to this gruesome murder and this crime that was committed, both of them showing no remorse. They were seen celebrating the festivals and going out as well. So this is a black magic mystery that, however, has emerged when it comes to certain symbols and certain practices that they believe that the accused, one of the accused in the case, may have indulged with the body parts of the victim, which was Saurabh Rajput. However, when it comes to the involvement of his wife, Muskan, is also said to be where the investigators are now looking into, because this is a sinister sequence of events that has shocked many, and the kind of no remorse that is now coming in from both of them, which is Muskan and alleged lover Sahil Shukla, where he has been carrying the severed head and the hands of the victim, which is Saurabh in the case. So Adeeb is with us right now. Adeeb, I mean, if speaking of this is, giving us goosebumps. If you can tell us exactly what has happened on part of the police investigation, what all has been found till now.
Well, definitely, Amita. See, it's a horrific murder that has taken place in Meerut. And as far as the police investigation is concerned, police recovered the body of Saurabh from a drum which was filled with the cement. And the police team believes that this was a pre-planned murder and they were planning it for months, and then they executed this murder. But now the kind of graffiti and the paintings that they have found in Sahil's room, it only shows that he was involved in some kind of cult practices or black magic. Now, the police also says that once they are going to take the police custody remand of Sahil and Muskan, they will further question Sahil and Muskan about this. What really led to, in fact, the police also says that Sahil was using intoxicated substance and was giving the same to Muskan, and he told Muskan that if she wants to continue for the intoxicated substances, then she needs to get rid of Saurabh. So this is what police has to say, and now the police investigation says that they are going to even check all the bank's accounts and the transactions done by Muskan.
Transactions are also being investigated on part of the police. They're saying that both the accused in the case as the investigation takes place. But we talk about this love marriage between Saurabh Rajput, who was the victim, and Muskan that happened back in 2016. Their families, however, were unhappy with their relationship, and the couple lived separately in a rented house with their 5-year-old daughter. The child has now lost both her parents, with Saurabh's parents are only now left with his memories.
पुलिस स्टेशन जा रहा था, झूठ चल रहा था मेरे मन में कि बच्चा झूठ बोल रहा है। मैंने बीच में स्कूटर रोक के उससे बात करी। मैंने कि सुबह आज तक तुमने बहुत कुछ गलत करा, उसके बाद भी मैंने तुम्हारा साथ नहीं छोड़ा है। कह रही हाँ पापा, नहीं छोड़ा है। मैंने कि अब भी कुछ गलत करा है, तब भी मैं तुम्हारे साथ खड़ा ही रहूँगा, मुझे सच बताओ। तो उसने सच बताया। थाने ले जाकर मैंने उसको कहा, मैंने कि अब जो मेरे को सच बताया है, इनको सबको सच बता दो। तब जाके इस पूरे खुलासा हुआ है उसी दिन सारा 18 को। पर मैं फिर कहूँगा, इस फैसला जल्द से जल्द आना चाहिए, और
ये वाला है बेटा,
इसकी सजाए मौत के अलावा उससे कुछ कम मेरे को नहीं चाहिए।
मैं इस जो भी इंसिडेंट हुआ है उससे यही कहना चाहती हूँ दुनिया के सभी बच्चों से कि बच्चों प्लीज अपने पेरेंट्स से कुछ मत छुपाओ, कुछ मत छुपाओ। मेरे बच्चे ने बड़ी गलती करी है। वो अब मैं बार बार पूछती थी, बेटा क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या क्यों इतने वीक हो रहे हो, 2 साल में 10 किलो वेट कम होना। उसने मुझसे बहुत कुछ छुपाया। आज वही वजह है कि वो जेल में है, ब्रेन वॉश हुआ है, नशे किए हैं, क्या किया है हमें कुछ नहीं पता। अगर जरा सा भी वो हमसे कुछ शेयर करती तो शायद आज वो इस स्थिति में ना होती।
In fact, we also have the Meerut SP's reaction on the case as far as when it comes to the investigation and how far it has progressed.
ये मुस्कान ने पूरा प्लानिंग मुस्कान की थी।
साहिल की मां के नाम पे?
हाँ, साहिल की मां मर चुकी है।
क्यों मर चुकी?
साहिल की मां के नाम पे नहीं था। जो मैसेज आते था, मैसेज में वो ऐसे दिखाती थी मां अवतरित होके आई है, मां बात कर रही है। हाँ, तो उससे ये कंट्रोल में रहता था। कुछ भी होता था कि मां को, तो नवंबर के आसपास इसने ठाना कि मैसेज आया कि इसका वध करना है, पति का, सौरभ का। नवंबर से ये प्लानिंग कर रहे थे। उस समय ये जगह ढूंढ रहे थे कि मार के हम गाड़ेंगे कहाँ। गाड़ने के बाद मैं ये बता दूंगी कि ये वापस चला गया अपना वहां, ये विदेश चला गया, वापस नहीं आएगा। 22 फरवरी को इसने पहले से प्लानिंग कर रखी थी। इसने चाकू खरीदे, तो इसने अपना एक बहाना बनाया कि मुझे एंग्जाइटी की प्रॉब्लम है। वहीं पे पास में ब्रह्मपुरी में एक डॉक्टर है, उनके पास गई, उसने अपना इलाज कराया। जो डॉक्टर दवाई पर्चा लिखते हैं एंग्जाइटी की, उसने इसको गूगल में सर्च किया। गूगल में सर्च करने के बाद जिस तरह डॉक्टर ने पर्चा रखा, खाली पर्चे पे इसने फिर वही साइन, वो पर्चे पे वो दोनों दवाइयां लिखी। शराब में दवाई भी मिलाई इसने, एंग्जाइटी वाली जो थी। उस दिन उसने शराब नहीं पी। 3 तारीख को बच्ची का एग्जाम खत्म हुआ था, उससे एक दिन पहले तो अपने नानी के यहाँ से छोड़ दिया था।
Well, absolutely gruesome crime being reported in Meerut. With that, we head into a short break.